Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on TikTok. First thing, let's launch the TikTok app. Then you wanna click on the lower right corner on the profile icon, okay? Then you wanna head to the top and I want you to click on the three straight lines. Then you wanna click on settings and privacy. And this is where the magic happens. I want you to click on over here content and display and to choose the option activity center. Okay, when you're at activity center you will have the option to delete not only search history but watch history as well. So let's go over the details. Let's click on watch history first. This is all the videos you've watched, right? All you gotta do is to click select on top and then you can simply select them individually, or you can select here on the lower left corner. Okay, you click on lower left corner, select all watch history and then you click delete. This will delete all your watch history for the past 180 days. Do you want to do that? Click yes. Very well, we just deleted our watch history on TikTok. But if we go back, we can actually go over here and click comment history, right? Then you can go over here and click search history. We don't have no search history to be deleted. But this is how you actually clear your search history on TikTok, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.